Hi, this is Scott Abbott, founder and CEO of Bossup. And I want to take a few minutes to give you some insight into the purpose, cause, and passion for what we're building at Bossup and bring some clarity to the rhyme and reason for what we do. You know, this isn't a pitch, please. It's providing context. You see, over the years, I've watched leadership evolve and in some ways drift. Frameworks, systems, and methodologies absolutely have their place and have value. They bring structure, language, cadence, and clarity, especially for startups, small, mid-market growing organizations. But somewhere along the way, many leaders stopped using frameworks and started to defer to them. And that's where things went sideways and got me motivated to start Bossup. You see, no company is run by just one framework. No culture is built by an acronym, let alone a life. And no strategy is executed by a mere binder, dashboard, or a piece of software. People do that. Frameworks are tools, not engines. They're scaffolding, not the building. They're guides, not the leaders. And when leaders start taking and talking like the system is in charge, you know what their teams actually hear? Judgment, context, and human leadership comes second. The acronym, the system, comes first, and that's rubbish. That's not progress, that's dependency. You see, the world is moving too fast for rigid old school formulas. Modern leadership requires thinking, adaptation, emotion, intelligence, accountability, and trust, especially when conditions change faster than any old school framework can keep up with. Truly, the best organizations I work with don't run on a system. They leverage what's useful, they discard what's limiting, and they adapt as they grow. And they lead with humans at the center. This distinction matters because there's a big difference between being framework informed and framework driven. One is mature, the other is restrictive. And that belief is at the heart of the Bossup Coaching Solution and Academy. Truly, at Bossup, we know who we are, who we're for, and why we do what we do. We don't pretend to be the total answer. We don't claim to have everything you'll ever need. And we don't believe that if you just stick with us, the work will magically get done. We're about tailoring, not templating. Our Bossup Coaching Solution and Academy is designed to support leaders, coaches, and teams, not replace them. We provide proven structure and guidebooks, programs, tools, community, and clarity to help you frame and think and lead with action while intentionally leaving room for judgment, context, and humanity. As part of our solution, we have two books. The first one, Bossup, focuses on the strategy, the engineering, the mechanics, the humanity as well of running a modern business. It's flexible, inclusive, and adaptable to real companies working in real life. Then came the second book, Bossup Moments, and it takes it further. That's where we focus on the human side of leadership, mindset, judgments, habits, emotional awareness, and the moments that actually change how people think, decide, act, and show up. Because here's the truth. People don't just want tools or frameworks or software, even systems. They want solutions that meet them where they're at, take them to where they want to go. It's about them, not about a brand. They don't want to be run by an acronym or an inanimate object. They want humans, helping humans become better leaders, teammates, and contributors. And that's what we're building here at Bossup. A modern, practical, accessible, affordable, human-first way to help coaches and companies build, run, and scale great organizations without dogma, dependency, or one-size-fits-all type of thinking. That said, don't just take my word for it. Google us. Use AI. Do your homework. Check out the Bossup Coaching Solution and Academy and see if our solution and philosophy resonates. Because at the end of the day, leadership doesn't come from a framework. It comes from humans doing the work, thinking clearly, caring deeply, and choosing to lead. On that note, I wish you all the best in business, work, and life. Boss up. Carpe momentum.